Master. Larry Gaga.
I joined UIU because I wanted to be a part of something magical that's connected to my people. As I was growing up, I wasn't around my family as much, and to be able to be in the diaspora with basically my cousins is a beautiful thing. I get to hang out with them, I get to network with them, I get to eat with them.
I have been a part of UIU since the very first convention. I have continued to return to UIU because it gives us a purpose and it reminds us of who we are, and it helps create pride in our cultural background.
Favorite part of the convention is seeing old friends and seeing people who I now consider family because we've been together and hanging out so long.
I had never seen that many young Igbo people together without our parents at one time, and I was like, okay, this is something I need to be a part of.
To see people smiling, coming into the lobby area of the hotel, seeing their people they've been conversing with on the Hova app, and just being like elated, like we're here, it's the start, that energy.
Well, I knew I wanted to attend a convention to better understand my Igbo culture and my Igbo heritage, and that's what's happening now at convention.
You know, Igbo culture is not a monolith. You know, the culture in Anamba is slightly different from the culture in Imo and Abia and Nugu and Ebonyi, and it's important to see all these differences in one place so that we can better understand ourselves.
I think the convention is important because, and I think we all found this even through the pandemic, there is just this major component of human interaction, and this network is so large, it's across the nation, and we have people in different countries, and to be able to bring people together to see each other face to face, there's just something so powerful that I don't think can be replaced.
Forming those Igbo connections is important because it's my heritage and it's who I am.